Just Autos Distributors. Well, today we have a Just Autos distributor that's just starting their training with us. It's DPS in Bathurst. These guys have just come on board. It's to service that area through Sydney. So if you're in the area of Bathurst, these guys are the guys to come and see, because we really want to provide that customer service as well as that product, and making sure that you guys are getting the right service, the right product, the right knowledge about your cars when you're coming to get a Just Autos package.
Rodney here from Dynamic Performance Systems in Bathurst. We've been tuning for around about 15 years. We predominantly do the 79 series, 200 series, Hiluxes, and we just seen the opportunity to come on board with Just Autos so that we can offer in Bathurst and the surrounding areas the awesome tunes they do on 300 series and the new 250 series, and obviously the new Hilux Tundras as they come through. I connected with Just Autos and with Matt many years ago. He's helped me many a time. I've always known that he's the expert in the field with tuning, getting things right and getting the maximum potential out of your vehicle, especially Toyotas, getting them right. From the get-go, we felt welcomed here, and our main goal is to ensure that we can offer the Just Autos package in Bathurst and to everyone that comes to us. So partnering with Just Autos is very important for us and very important for where we are in Bathurst. Everything they've been through with us, with their packages as far as exhausts and clutch kits, what they do, how they do it, it is awesome to be part of their team. So the packages that Just Auto offer are second to none. Everything is Aussie made, which is a huge thing for us, and the time and effort that's gone into making the packages perfect. Everything fits. There's no stress about anything. People come in and they drive out with a product that they can trust. Fits awesome. You might think you know a little bit about a Toyota. Matt is just amazing with his wealth of knowledge. He goes deep into everything about the Toyota and the way he tunes to get the maximum reliability and performance out of the Toyota. So the Easy Tune program, amazed at how easy it is to use, but then also the data logging. So everything gets sent straight back to Matt and his team, and it's just so easy to be able to data log the essentials, what's happening inside the ECU, to ensure that everything is done right and that you know your customer can go away with 100% satisfaction. Matt has introduced us to his new oil, the 530, and I think it's an absolute game changer in the industry. We look forward to offering the Just Autos packages to anyone in Bathurst and surrounding Central West. Contact us via the Just Autos website.
Our Just Autos network is growing very well at the moment. We have another 4 guys jumping on board towards the end of the year, and that is so we can service more of the areas that you guys are located in throughout Australia. If you have any more questions or queries about any of our Just Autos packages, please get in contact with the guys at the front and they'll be happy to answer any of your questions.